Alright guys, so I copied over here 3 of the quotes that we went over in the second video. The first one, the witch could see the companions trudging along. The next one, beneath, hidden by fronds, her prey had paused to take their rest. And the third, she could see a huge cat. Now that one goes a little bit longer in the actual story, but all I need is that little part of it. So I'm going to start off by explaining what my claim was, what my inference was. So I feel that the story is being told from the witch's perspective. I think this because we are first introduced to the witch in the beginning with her being able to look out and see the others. So this is me putting the information into my own words. So now what I can do is I can say that that took place in paragraph 2. So in paragraph 2, because I want to cite where I'm getting the information. So in paragraph 2, it says, and then I'm going to write that quote down. Sorry guys. There we go. So the witch could see the companions trudging along. Now I'm going to connect this one to the next one by putting an ellipses to show that there is information between this quote and the next one. Beneath, hidden by fronds, her prey paused to take their rest. So now I'm going to explain that not only is she seeing these people, but specifically the word her that we have over here is important because she is taking ownership over this situation. She is taking ownership of these people. They are her prey. So the word her in this sentence proves even more that the story is being told from her perspective because it is the witch who is taking ownership of the prey. So now I'm looking at my answer and I'm like, wait a minute, I still have one more quote that I haven't used yet. So now I would go back and I would look at my answer and think, okay, is there somewhere else that I can put this? So let me reread it to make sure it sounds good. I feel that the story is being told from the witch's perspective. I think this because we are first introduced to the, and this is another reason why it is good to reread. I think this because we are first introduced to the witch in the beginning, with her being able to look out and see the others. In paragraph 2, it says, the witch could see the companions trudging along. Beneath, hidden by fronds, her prey paused to take their rest. The word her in this sentence proves even more that the story is being told from her perspective, because it is the witch who is taking ownership of the prey. I'm thinking that I need to add in the information about her being able to see the cat inside of the first example, and that I should make the beneath the hidden by fronds a second example, because that has a different reasoning. So I'm going to go into the middle, and instead of connecting my example to beneath hidden by fronds, I'm going to connect it to she could see a huge cat. And now that I have two things that she is seeing, the witch is seeing, I need to support the quotes that I put down. So I need to explain this. So this shows that everything we are learning about as readers is coming from what the witch sees. All right, so now I have this sentence that I originally had connected to the beginning. So now I need to figure out a way to introduce that, because I can't just drop it in there. So I think I might go with a transition word that says, another reason why I feel that the story is being told from the witch's perspective is because of the lines beneath, hidden by fronds, her prey paused to take their rest. And now I'm supporting it. The word her in this sentence proves even more that the story is being told from her perspective, because it is the witch who is taking ownership of the prey. All right, so now I have information that supports why I think this story was told from the witch's perspective. But something that can make this even stronger is by explaining what someone else might be thinking and proving to them that they are wrong. So for example, if somebody were to say, no, this is told from Dorothy's perspective or the lion's perspective, all I would have to do is explain to them why I don't think that is true. So here's how I would do it. If this story were told from another character's point of view, we wouldn't have gotten as much information based on what the witch was thinking. Instead, we would have heard what the lion or other characters were thinking from the start of the story. All right, so even right now, do I think this answer is completely perfect? No. Is it a work in progress? Absolutely. Did I use text evidence to support what I was thinking? Yes, I did. So now this is what you guys are going to have to do in the assignment that's posted for you. So come back to these videos as much as you need to. I know that I'm talking slow in them. I know that I'm taking time to write out the words and go over it with you, but watch them as much as you need to so that they can help you with the actual assignment. All right.